To assemble the Ameriwood Home Ellsworth fireplace, insert 3 quick locks, part number 4, into the E board with the screw head up. Push 2 cam bolts, part number 2, into the larger holes on both sides. Push the wood dowels into the small holes on the edge of board F and G. Tap with a hammer if needed. Place the cam locks, part number 1, into the holes near the edge with the screw head up and the open edge of the cam lock pointing towards the hole on the edge of the board, where the cam bolt will be inserted. Push the quick locks into the center holes. Push the cam bolts into the larger holes. Put the dowels into the smaller holes on the edge of board H. Push in the 2 cam locks with the open side towards the hole on the edge. Push in the 3 quick locks. Connect board F and G to board H. Twist the cam locks 180 degrees clockwise with a Phillips screwdriver until snug. Don't over-tighten the locks. Connect board E to F and G and tighten the 2 cam locks. Slide the quick locks from the base you made into the holes in board D. You may have to adjust the quick locks so they line up. Turn all the quick lock screws clockwise to lock them in place. Don't over-tighten the locks. Put 2 dowels into the small holes on the edge of board A. Put in 4 cam locks and 3 quick locks. Repeat with board B. Insert board I into board A and tighten the quick locks. Repeat with board J and B. Put 4 cam bolts into the larger holes on board D. Connect the boards to board D with the unfinished edges on the same side, then tighten the cam locks. Connect the safety strap to board C using a washer and small screw. That's parts 7B and 7D. Push in 4 cam bolts into the larger holes on the ends. Put 2 quick locks into board L. Use 6 screws, part number 6, to connect the K boards with the finished edge to the inside. One K board will be flush, the other board will be offset. Put board L into board C and tighten the quick locks. Set the top into the sides. Tighten the top 4 cam locks. Use 2 screws, part number 6, to connect the top to the sides. Put the fireplace insert into the frame and connect it to the sides with 6 screws, part number 5. Add the bracket to the bottom of the frame with the small screw, part 8B. The safety strap should be screwed into a wall stud or use the anchor and screw to help prevent a tip over.